Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.9, Problem 23. This is Section 2.9, Problem 23. It says, when Karen was 12 years old, she was 61 3/8 inches tall. By the time she was 14, she was 65.5 inches tall. How much did she grow from age 12 to age 14? So what you have to do is subtract the two heights. So you take the taller height of 65.5 inches. That's 5 foot 5.5 if you're curious. Subtract 61 3/8 inches. And see what that subtraction comes out to. And that'll tell you how much Karen grew in that period of a few years. So to do this subtraction, I have two different denominators. I have to make the denominators the same. So I need a denominator that both 2 and 8 will divide into evenly. 8 is a very good common denominator. So for the 1/2, 2 times some number became an 8. Well, the number must be 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So the numerator must be multiplied times the same number. 1 times 4 is 4. Now, the lower fraction of 3/8, the 8 got to stay in 8, so it was really times 1. So the 3 can stay, or really be times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, I have 4/8 minus 3/8. I have a common denominator. So my common denominator is 8. The numerator is 4 minus 3 is 1, right? 4 minus 3 is 1. And then 65 minus 61 is 4. So I have 4 1/8. So from age 12 to age 14, Karen grew 4 1/8 inches.